morning. It's Thursday. It's the Bubba Show. Okay, so today we want to kind of talk about, there's a lot of news coming out today and tomorrow, and we've got the Chicago PMI, Purchasing Managers Confidence Number. We've got the Michigan Sentiment, which is a confidence number. These can all have some sort of effect. Now, in the past, we have ignored any of the bad news that has come out because, nobody cares. When the market wants to go higher, it wants to go higher, so we're going to ignore any of the bad news that is coming out. Now, we will see that eventually that will change and the bad news will mean something, but for now, bad news has no meaning. But the big number, and this can have some great play to the market, and that is the Granddaddy Mall, the jobs number. Friday's jobs number probably will be better than expected, as it has been. Now, what we want to understand is what is the market expectation, what has the market done to this point, and where we can kind of guess at what the expectations are. Now, I always recommend in a market like this that you want to be flat coming into this number, relatively flat. I mean, obviously, if you have some good stock positions on either side, there's no reason. But to open positions into this number based on this number is always tantamount to, just trying to guess what the number is going to be. But I look for better than expected numbers, but I think that the market, you have to remember, market expectation. We've been rallying since the start of the year. We're up huge. We're up again, approaching these highs. So has the street built in this better than expected number? Is this something that's going to actually be the turn of the market? Now, one of these numbers will be the turn of the market and will actually create some selling pressure. It will cause the market to correct. This could be the fundamental news bomb that is so totally out of whack that could turn the markets around. And this is what we're going to watch for and see, because eventually we are going to get some sort of correction, and eventually the market's going to go lower. And I'm not telling you that we're going back down to the 2009 lows of 6,000. I'm talking about we're going to go have a little bit of correction. The market needs, for the health and the wealth of the trading, needs a correction in here at some point. So tomorrow's number will have an effect, and that could be the number coming into the month of February after a dramatic rally in the month of January. It could be the impetus to actually push us lower. Let's keep a good eye on it. Let's watch it. I look for this number to be challenging and change, and I look for it to help us to create some new chart patterns. For Thursday, the Bubba Show, we'll talk to you on Friday, Commodity Corner.